If you've got a Kona Electric, you probably think it's a little bit special. And yeah, part of being special is keeping it clean. But as you can see here, it's not particularly clean at the moment. From a distance, it looks shiny, but close up, it's actually covered in a film of dust and dirt blown off the fields nearby. And Susan's been driving it through some puddles as well, out to dog agility.
This isn't going to be a full clean, it's just a quick wash, something I'd probably do once a week or so.
Okay, firstly, products and tools. What have we got? Yep, huge 100 washers, cheap, valet, snow foam. Much more expensive, Maguire's NXT car wash. I normally either mix that in a bucket or apply it with some water and spray it on as well. Auto Glim Polar Blast, that's the best snow foam that I use out of the three. I've got two nozzles, one for just spraying stuff on generally, which came with the Nilfisk pressure washer, and the other, which I bought separately, is the actual snow foam adapter. So basically it just puts the liquid through under higher pressure and it comes out as a foam.
I use a middle-of-the-range Nilfisk pressure washer and the Works cordless pressure washer. It's quite low pressure, probably about twice as much pressure as a hose pipe, but it enables me to just connect the hose into a bucket of rainwater and rinse the car.